Hello my dear friends. In previous slide, I have covered geometry of a single point cutting tool. Now, I want to discuss about so many system behind that, and with the help of that, we identify the proper turning tool or single point cutting tool. When any person buy a single point cutting tool in shop, he or she actually set the tool signature. In tool signature followed by this system, ASA system, ORS system and NRS system. Without that, we cannot choose the proper tool for proper machining. So this is my learning object system description of tool geometry, ASA system, ORS system and NRS system. ASA actually followed machine reference system, American Standard of Association. This is a full form. Tool reference system, that's been orthogonal rake system and normal rake system, ORS and NRS. Work reference system, this is WRS. In machine reference system, the pi r plane is the machining plane. X and Y is another plane. Both pi x, pi y and pi r both are 90 degree each other. If we cut the section, so we have three planes. One is suppose pi r and pi x. So here we find two angles, gamma x, alpha x. This is actually gamma x is the front rake angle and front clearance angle. Gamma y and pi r, if we cut the section, we find gamma y and alpha y. Gamma y is the back clearance angle, alpha y is the back, gamma y is the back rake angle, alpha y is the back clearance angle. And phi A is another two plane xy. If we cut the xy plane, we another find two angle. This is cutting angle. One is approach angle phi s and phi E is the end cutting edge angle. So this is the right up, back rake angle, side rake angle, front or end clearance angle, side clearance angle or relief angle, end cutting edge angle, side cutting edge angle, and another one is nose radius. Orthogonal rake system. In orthogonal rake system, the tool actually the reference point. Previously, the machine is the reference point. Here, the tool is the reference point. XO, YO, ZO is the intersection point of pi r XO, pi r XC, and XO, YO is the Z. If we cut the section in three different ways, lambda is the inclination angle, phi 1, phi A is the cutting edge angle, gamma O, alpha O is the rake angle, and alpha O is the clearance angle. Lambda inclination angle, alpha orthogonal clearance angle, alpha O dash 1 another clearance angle, this is auxiliary orthogonal clearance, phi and phi 1 principal cutting edge angle phi, and phi 1 is the auxiliary cutting edge angle, r is the nose radius. So this is the concept of auxiliary clearance angle, this is the geometry. In NRS system, this is not important in so many important things. So just know the full form and this is the diagram. So this is the designation of tool geometry, very important thing. ASA system, gamma y, gamma x, alpha y, alpha x, phi E, phi s are in inch. So how we distinguish ASA system and ORS system? If R, that's mean nose radius in inch form, this is ASA system. If R in mm form, this is in ORS or NRS. Generally, we followed ORS system, lambda, gamma O, alpha O dash, phi 1, phi R. NRS system, lambda, gamma n, alpha n dash, phi 1, phi R in millimeter. So now I discuss some short question. Back rake of turning tool is used to measure on it. The option is this: machine longitudinal plane, machine transverse plane, orthogonal plane, normal plane. Normal rake and orthogonal rake of a turning tool will be same when it's phi equal to 0, phi 1 equal to 0, lambda equal to 0, phi 1 equal to 90. Normal plane of a turning tool is always perpendicular to its when lambda pi x plane, pi y plane, pi c plane, none of them. Principal cutting edge angle of any turning tool is measured on its pi r, pi y, pi x, pi o. A cutting tool can never have its rake angle positive, rake angle negative, clearance angle positive, clearance angle negative. Orthogonal clearance and side clearance of a turning tool will be same if its perpendicular cutting angle is phi equal to 30, phi equal to 45, phi equal to 60, phi equal to 90. So solve it. 7 and 8. Inclination angle of turning tool is measured on its reference plane, cutting plane, orthogonal plane, normal plane. Normal rake and side rake of a turning tool will be same when phi equal to 0, lambda equal to 0. When phi equal to 90, lambda equal to 0. When phi equal to 90, lambda equal to 90. Or phi equal to 0, lambda equal to 90. So this is the answer of these 8 questions. A equal to A, B, 2C, 3C, 4A, 5D, 6D, 7B, 8B. So thank you. This is all about the 3 system ASA, ORS and NRS system. So if you have any query, feel free, call me.